gouache painting techniques for an angel with spread wings, and a white horse plaster statue. Composition arrangement. Use diagonal or triangular composition to create a dynamic yet balanced arrangement of the angels, wings and the white horse plaster statue. Leave negative space strategically to emphasize the subject and avoid unnecessary distractions in the background. Light and shadow rendering. Angels' wings. Observe the primary light source to define feather layers and create depth through light to dark transitions. White horse plaster statue. Focus on volume, keeping highlights bright while shading shadows with cool grays or blue-violet hues for depth. Overall shadows. Pay attention to cast shadows and reflected light to enhance realism and spatial depth. Texture, representation. Angels' wings. Use delicate, flowing brushstrokes to depict the natural curve of feathers, avoiding stiffness or excessive detailing. Highlights can be left white or subtly tinted with pale yellows, while shadows should use cool tones like blue. Gray-violet for depth. White horse plaster statue. Emphasize the smoothness of plaster by using soft, blended shading, ensuring that shadows are not too harsh. For details, such as the horse's head and mane, employ a semi-dry brush technique to layer colors, creating a sculptural effect. Color application. Maintain a predominantly cool palette, with subtle warm tones such as pale yellow or orange for reflected light and environmental effects. Avoid using pure white for the plaster statue. Introduce light blues, purples, and grays for a more natural variation. Use a darker or gradient background to contrast with the subjects and enhance their visual impact. Brushwork and detail handling. Start with broad strokes to establish light and shadow relationships, then refine details with smaller brushes to prevent overworking the painting. For feathers, layer with flat or fine brushes while maintaining the natural flow and structure of the wings. Highlights on the plaster can be scraped out with a palette knife or left as reserved. Whites to enhance the statue's three-dimensional quality.